Hey guys, Wolfino Eyes the Wolf here, and welcome back to Ultimate Wolf Simulator. It's been a long time since I've played and stuff, and it's like, sorry for not making a video in a while. Yeah, I've been pretty depressed lately, but I'm getting back into it. Oh, I just missed a great chance to get some food, but oh well. But anyway, I've been pretty depressed a little while, so it's like I haven't made a video in a little while. But I'm getting back to it, so don't worry everyone, don't worry. I'm not quitting YouTube. Anyway, I've done a lot of things ever since I stopped making videos, and I have a Twitter. You can go check it down. Go check it down. You can go check it out in the description below. Anyway, I don't really have a plan or anything to do today in this video, except just run around and have some fun and try to level up so we can get some babies. Anyway, yeah. And you could probably noticed the name change on Blue turned to Blackheart, because now Blackheart is my mate. But that's all I'm gonna tell you is his game name. I ain't gonna tell you nothing else. Anyway, let's see what we can do to level up. We are stupid stamina. I forgot to ask my grandma what my language is limited to. What curse word can I use without being offensive towards God? Because my grandma is she's a church person, but I don't know what my language is limited to. All I know is every time I curse and I say a word my grandma does not like on this channel, I have to donate $1. So yeah. Birdie! Can I catch you? Can I eat a birdie? No, I cannot eat a birdie apparently, because it's too... Wah! Oh man, this bird's gonna be hard to catch. Oh come on, I was right on it. Got it! I got a birdie bird. I have no idea why I said birdie bird. Anyway, let's let our stamina raise up so we can chase these deer into oblivion. I'm going to make more than one YouTube video today, so expect more. I'm going to make up for how many days I haven't been doing YouTube. So don't worry, I'm going to keep you guys entertained. And I got a music video that is coming out for a friend who helped me with my depression. Her YouTube name, I don't know how you say her YouTube name. I'm sorry. There's I know millions of people who are YouTubers now. It's you can if I make a video for them, I will put their link in the description. But all of them are awesome, and they are pretty cool. It's sorry if I can't say any of their YouTuber names. Anyway, let's see, where are we? Oh right, I'm going to show you guys a little thing I found out. I know, 10. I got 10 more minutes, okay? Okay. Let's see. Oh, I ran out of stamina. It's going to take forever to get there. Nee. I'm going to change my den location because you can do that. You can have multiple dens. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see what just happened there? Did you see what just happened there? That was awesome. Rawr. Anyway, we have to get past this part. There's a bear, then there's a fox. Rawr! Rawr! Okay. Get out. Where is the bear? I don't. Where'd the bear go? Where did the bear go? The bear disappeared. The bear vanished. Okay. Blackheart, get out of the way. Wow. Last piece of meat is mine. Anyway, let's see. Looks like we go this direction to get to the other side. Oh, more meat. I'm having luck on meat today. Roar. Okay. Are we going to get to the other side? Yes! We got to the snow area. Now, I know where the den is, so let's just hurry over that direction as fast as we can. There's certain dens everywhere. And it's like, I know where all of the locations of the dens are. There are only 3 dens around here. I've been playing this game on my own. I ain't uneducated. I got my education. I'm not dumb. Rawr. Let's just hurry up and get to the snow area. A den place. I'm not dumb. Anyway. Whoop. See? We found our den. Oh, there's a thing here. Wow. I found a chest. Where is that chest? Gray wolves are carnivores, but red wolves will also eat insects and blueberries. Oh, I marked den, and then a hungry wolf can devour over 20 pounds of meat in a single meal. And then we have, for the first few days after birth, wolf pups are both blind and deaf. Yep, so true. Anyway, let's get our sleepy sleep until it's day. I have no idea what I'm saying. Rawr. It's not day. It's not day. I don't even know what day means, okay? Rawr. Let's just get to the song part where I sing this song that is in a couple videos here. Okay. Whoa! How did you get behind me? You were in front of me 10 seconds ago. Whoa! Blackheart, that was amazing. You have teleportation skills, I swear. Wait. Can I say swear? Is that something I can say? Well, let's hope it is. Okay, anyway, the minus about this area is there is less water, but there is like lots of food. I know. Just give me a minute, people. Just don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Okay. Grr. Okay, we better run. I accidentally hit the howl button. And we run. No, Blackheart, run, run, run. You're going to die. Oh, you're dead. Oh no, he's dead. Now we have to wait 4 minutes for him to respawn, but I don't have that time of day. I got better things to do. I'm going to be really busy today. Roar! Roar! We have to take over our territory. This is our territory now. Roar! And I know roar means I love you in dinosaur. I know that, okay? I'm going to say roar now, cause roar is the opposite. Roar and roar are different. So yeah. Oop, found some meat. Okay. I wonder what these are carcasses of. Okay. Roar. Roar. Okay. I don't know why I say roar a lot, and I don't know why I say merp a lot. Okay? So just deal with me. I'm a confusion of myself. Okay. Let's see. Where do I go? There. Come on, this is going to be a boring episode. Let something exciting happen. Let me go see if I can find the boss. That'll be exciting. I'm not ready to fight the boss, but I'm going to try anyway. Just because it's a boss. Rawr. Roar. Okay, we're getting close to the boss. Wait, we should be at the boss right now. Where? I'm right on top of the thing. I'm right on top of the thing. Is there a cave near here? Or something? Where's the boss? Where? Oh, where can the boss be? Okay. We're getting out. What? What? Where is the boss? Where? I am right on top of the thing. The boss should be right here. I am going through the wall. I am inside a wall right now. I'm inside a wall right now. Look at me. I am inside a wall. And I still cannot find the boss anywhere. We hit a wall. Okay, where in the world is the boss? In here. Woo! Where? I can't find the boss, everybody. I can't find the boss, and I know. I know. I have to end the video. Still. What? Okay, I'm just going to be heading back now. I'm just going to head back now. I don't even know what's going on. What is going on here? I am stuck. Okay, there we go. Wow. We are going to find the bus another time, apparently. There's a new food. Let me get some stamina. That is a moose, everybody. That is what we call a moose. Wow. Wow. Come back here, moose. You are much fat. Whoa! This moose is stronger than I thought it was. Okay, let's attack it. Roar! Roar! Okay. There we go. At least we encountered something today. Anyway, where are you? Whoa! Oh, that's the boss! Oh, this is the boss. Attack it. Oh, come on. Whoa, it's stronger than me. Okay, go on. Come on, Blackheart, you can do this. You can do this. Kill it. Oh my gosh. It was almost dead. We almost killed it. Oh, we were so close to killing it. Oh, we were so close. Though we died a terrible death. Oh well. I have to end the video now. Bye everybody. I will see you in the next video. This is Wolfina Wise Wolf coming at ya. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!